I'm going to show you how you can get into investment banking in a week or less in the United States or in Canada. It's a very simple process, it's contrarian, and you want to make sure you stick to the end because I'll show you the different levels of it and how you can evolve to become the top apex predator in investment banking for the first time. So if you're somebody, whether you be older or if you're even somebody out of college, I'm going to walk through the playbook I followed. And basically the first thing you want to do is to make sure you know the regulations and you target every broker dealer in your country. So if you're in the United States, make sure you go to the FINRA website. It'll be on the screen or somewhere in the video. Go onto that website and then look at all of the people that are registered broker dealers, and then start from the firms that are the smallest broker dealers. And what you want to do, you want to put them all in a spreadsheet, right? So after you do that, make sure you publicly announce that you're offering consulting services to startups, companies, and like real estate companies. If you want to get started really quick, just say startups. But if you want to actually get some proper deals done, say real estate companies and business M&A deals, say that you and your network will help them find the financing for the deals, because you get people on the sell side, get them to subscribe to an email newsletter, get a landing page up as soon as possible. If you want to, go to raises.com/gohighlevel, and then that's the one that we recommend for our clients. Set up a nice landing page, get people into your email newsletter that are companies that are seeking financing. And then what you want to do, you want to go to these broker dealers and then tell them that after you accumulate a lot of people, you post on LinkedIn, you post on Facebook, you want to make sure you drum up some hype and get as many people into your email list as possible, and tell them that you're going to show them how you're going to teach them how to get access to capital. And then what you want to do, you want to go to the brokers and then tell the broker dealers that I have a network of companies that fit your investment mandates, and I'm looking to find a broker dealer that I can close these deals with. Would you potentially be interested in us sharing deal flow and closable deals? Just tell them a message like that by emailing and calling them one at a time. And then statistically, you're going to get several of them that would say that, yeah, I'm interested. And then what you want to do, you want to work to get registered with one of them. And when you get registered with one of them, then you'll be able to actually like transact the deals with them and actually help them raise capital. That's the way I got started. Except my niche was cryptocurrency, but I've since changed to real estate and mergers and acquisitions. So after you do that, close some deals. That's the first step. Then that's the quickest way to get into private equity. In Canada, they have websites. In the UK, they have the Financial Conduct Authority. So whatever country you're in, just go to your national securities regulator. Don't go to any more mortgage stuff. Go to the equity regulator, the private equity regulator on a national level in your country. That's the quickest way to do it. And then that's pretty much it. And then other than that, what you want to do, you know what you're talking about, because if you don't, then no one's going to hire you so that you can close some deals with anyone. So go and do that. And then that's by far the quickest way to get into private equity. And then if you want to take this to the more advanced level, create your own. And the only way to create your own is usually to work with another or work for another. Unless you want to do that, or unless you want to work for somebody else. Then the third way would be to simply acquire deals yourself or raise capital, not to grow the operations of your business, but to acquire companies. And then that's the third kind of unknown way to kind of grow in this space if you don't know how to get into it. So with this, get it done. And make sure if you have questions, you head to